Hey everyone, Tony Winston here, Jazz Piano College. A viewer on Patreon requested this song, Darn That Dream by Jimmy Van Heusen, so I'm going to stumble through it right now. Mostly open voices, then I'll go back and talk a little bit about it. Okay, got a little Darn That Dream there. I played a few things wrong, of course. It'd be kind of nice to have a little 2-5-1 here, but it'd have to be F sharp minor major 7th, but maybe some 11th chords or something. I don't think it sounds good though. God, what could we do there? Something chromatic? That doesn't sound right either. I guess we'll just go with what's on the page. Now right here, you've got A 7th with G sharp there, but just let it happen. All right. And here we have, it's kind of a minor major 7th chord, but it says C minor 6, so it sounds good to put that in there too. It's kind of like an F 7th chord too. And I kept missing the flat 5 here. No. Yeah, the 2-5 doesn't really work there as well because of the B. So just go for a little F7. The harmony is nice. Of course, this should be an F sharp, not a G flat. That's like a chordy thing.